Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramani. Let's get started lying down on our backs. We're actually going to place one pillow behind our head, and if it feels comfortable, you can also place a pillow underneath your knees. Allow your arms to rest wherever they naturally fall, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes. As you move through this meditation, I want you to remember that you don't need to do anything in this moment. There's nowhere else you need to be. There's nothing for you to figure out, no responsibilities. This time is just for you. Bring your attention to your breath, not to change it, but just noticing your inhales and your exhales. With your next inhale, breathe in through your nose and slowly let it out through your mouth. Again, inhale through your nose and exhale, let it out through your mouth. Truly allow your body to relax. You don't need to replay conversations or scenarios. You don't need to plan tomorrow. You don't need to solve anything. If your mind starts listing responsibilities, gently remind yourself that you are allowed to rest even before everything is resolved. Continue breathing in and out through your nose. Begin to take a moment to acknowledge yourself. The person who showed up for themselves today, even when it wasn't easy, even if you maybe didn't have all of the answers, even if you were dealing with things that no one saw, navigating decisions, expectations, emotions. Right now, you get to let go of all of that. And now that your body is settled into the meditation, we're going to shift into a visualization practice. I want you to imagine yourself in a place where nothing is being asked of you. And that can be any space that feels good to you. It can be quiet, it can be warm, it can be a softly lit room. Just visualize yourself in that space. In this space, imagine everything that you carried today being gently set down. Responsibilities, conversations, unfinished thoughts. You're not throwing them away, you're just placing them aside. And if you need them, they'll be there tomorrow, but tonight you are letting everything go. As you rest here in this safe space, know that you are not defined by your productivity. You are not measured by how much you give, and you do not have to earn rest or peace. Let yourself be held and supported by the bed and the pillow beneath you, by the quiet of the room, and let's continue to take some deep breaths with a few minutes of silence. With each deep breath, allow your body to sink a little bit deeper into your bed. Allow your jaw to soften and your shoulders to melt. Allow your belly and your hips and your legs to relax. As you remain here, allow your mind to relax. Allow your breathing to slow down. And allow my voice to drift into the background. The guided portion of your meditation is ending. There's nothing for you to do after this. No effort required. Just rest. Allow yourself to fall asleep, feeling supported and at ease. As we close out this meditation, you take one more deep breath, breathing in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed this meditation. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.